Welcome back again. So as we did in the last video, we have been able to create a VPC 1 with the associated subnet as well as the associated internet gateway. We have been able to edit the root tables. We have been able to edit the root association. So in this video, we also want to take this further by creating the second VPC. So we can see the demo VPC 1, which is the first VPC that we created. So don't forget, what we are trying to do is to have two VPCs, two instances launched in two different VPCs, where we can now pair them, do a pair, introduce the concept of AWS pairing for us to be able to access each of them from either of the VPC that we have created. So what we are doing next is to create we have done the first one in the first video, and then we want to do the second one right now. So now for us to create the second VPC, we need to, again, like we did in the first one, go to VPC, which is where we are at the moment, and click on create VPC. And let's give a name to this VPC to be VPC, a demo VPC 2. Let's call it demo VPC 2, and let's assign IP4 CRDR block to be 192.168.0.0.24, and let's leave this as default. The name tag is already there, and let's create VPC. Let's create VPC. So the next is let's create subnet for the VPC that we just created, and let's go to subnet right under the VPC, your VPC tab. Click on create subnet, and let's give the let's select this. Don't forget, this is for our demo VPC 2, and we're taking VPC 2 right here, and let's give our subnet name. Let's give our subnet name to be demo VPC 2 subnet, and yeah, so demo VPC 2 subnet, and let's select let's go to AP. Let's select the same availability zone, and let's give this to be let's give it to be 192.168.0.0.24. See. Click create. So next is for me to, we now need to create internet gateway. This is not done, yeah. So let's go to internet gateway. Click create internet gateway. Let's give this a name. Let's give demo VPC 2 IGW. Yeah, and click on create. So the next thing for us, now we have this, we need to do. So we need to attach these to our VPC. So attach to the VPC2 and attach the internet gateway. So this is done. And now the next thing is for us to go to the root tables and click on create root table. And let's give it a name tag to be demo VPC 2 root, and let's select VPC 2. Let's create. Now let's go into the root table. Select, let's go into the root table. Let's edit the root. Edit the root. Add root. Let's select anywhere. Let's select internet gateway for demo 2 and let's save the root. So let's close. So the next thing we need to do, so we have done this. The next thing we need to do is now that we've created the second VPC, and let's check our VPC. We can see the two of them, demo 1 and 2, with different IPC4. Let's see. Let's just check again that we have not make a mistake. I think this, let's see. I think what this should have been. Let's set the CDR for this, and this is VPC, right? Demo. Let's add this. Let's remove this. Let's add this. So it's actually what we need to do is second VPC should be 192.168.0.0.6. So we need to. So we have demo, and so we'll be able to create these two, and we need to edit. I'm trying to edit so the first thing is to disassociate. So let's delete this VPC and do it again. But I'm sure we need to delete all of what we have done earlier. Let's delete. I think we made mistakes in assigning the IP address. So let's do. So let's call this demo VPC2. So the IP address should be 192.168.0.0.16, and let's leave everything as default, and now let's create. So this is done, and subnet is this. Create subnet, and we're attaching to demo VPC2. So let's give it a name, demo VPC. to subnet. Let's select AP availability 1 and let's create subnet. Oh yeah, so we now need to do one for the subnet. I do 192.168.0.0.24. So and create. So we are done. So we are done with subnet. The next thing is to deal with create the internet gateway. Let's click on create internet gateway. Let's give it demo VPC 2 IGW and let's click on create. So we now need to attach this. Let's go to the action and attach the VPC to our VPC2 and attach internet gateway. The next is to create the root table, create leave table. Let's give this demo VPC2 root demo 2 and we can give a name tag. Yeah, name tag is there, create. And let's now go into this root gateway. Let's go to the root. Let's edit root, add root, or anywhere. Let's internet gateway, demo 2, save root, close. Let's go to subnet association. This, go to this, select this, yes. Attach and save. So effectively we now have the two VPC created, and then now that we have the two VPC created, the next thing is for us to create the pairing connection for these two PVC, and from there we continue with the steps. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you.